Aloe vera, a plant that has captured the fascination of many for its incredible versatility and healing properties. For centuries, this plant has been prized for its remarkable properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, revered it as a powerful natural remedy. From soothing burns to aiding digestion, its benefits are renowned across the globe. Aloe vera gel is often used to treat skin conditions, while its juice is consumed for its digestive benefits. This unassuming plant, with its fleshy leaves and spiky edges, holds a treasure trove of natural goodness. The gel inside its leaves is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Join us as we journey from arid farms to sophisticated factories, tracing the fascinating path of aloe vera gel. We'll explore how this humble plant is transformed into a variety of products. Our journey begins in sun-drenched fields where aloe vera thrives. These fields are carefully tended by farmers who understand the unique needs of this resilient plant. These resilient plants, adapted to arid conditions, are a testament to nature's ingenuity. They have evolved to store water in their leaves, allowing them to survive in harsh environments. Join us as we delve into the world of aloe vera, exploring its journey from plant to product. From the moment it is harvested to the final stages of processing, discover the meticulous care that goes into bringing aloe vera's benefits to you. The aloe vera plant, scientifically known as Aloe barbadensis Miller, is a succulent species native to the Arabian Peninsula. This remarkable plant has adapted to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, making it a true survivor in the plant kingdom. Recognized by its thick, pointed leaves, the plant stores water in its gel, allowing it to survive in harsh, dry climates. These leaves are not just for show. They are a testament to the plant's incredible ability to conserve water and sustain itself during prolonged periods of drought. This gel, the heart of aloe vera's appeal, is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is this gel that has been harvested and utilized for centuries, providing a natural remedy for a variety of ailments and skin conditions. Historically, aloe vera has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine. Its use dates back thousands of years, with records indicating its application in ancient Egypt, Greece, and China. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, recognized its therapeutic value. The Egyptians famously referred to it as the plant of immortality, and it was often included in burial rituals to aid the journey to the afterlife. Today, aloe vera continues to be a sought-after ingredient in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and food supplements. Modern science has validated many of the traditional uses of aloe vera, and it is now a staple in many households around the world. Its soothing, healing, and moisturizing properties have cemented its place in the modern world. Whether used in skincare products, health supplements, or even as a natural remedy for minor burns and cuts, aloe vera remains a botanical marvel that continues to benefit humanity. The journey from plant to product begins with meticulous harvesting. Skilled workers carefully select mature leaves, ensuring optimal gel content. Using sharp knives, they deftly cut the leaves close to the base, minimizing damage to the plant. This manual process requires precision and care. Each cut must be cleaned to prevent contamination of the precious gel. The harvested leaves are then carefully collected in baskets, ready for the next stage of their journey. Freshness is paramount when it comes to aloe vera gel. Once harvested, the leaves begin to lose moisture and nutrients. Therefore, swift transportation to processing facilities is crucial. Trucks equipped with specialized containers transport the leaves, ensuring they remain cool and protected from sunlight. This rapid transportation minimizes oxidation, preserving the gel's potency and purity. Section 5. From plant to product. Processing aloe vera. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the aloe vera leaves undergo a series of meticulous steps. First, they are thoroughly washed and rinsed to remove any surface impurities. Next, skilled technicians carefully fillet the leaves, extracting the clear inner gel. This gel, the essence of aloe vera, is then subjected to advanced filtration processes. These processes remove any remaining impurities, resulting in a pure, translucent gel. The entire process, from harvesting to extraction, is executed with utmost precision, ensuring the final product retains its natural goodness. Section 6. Quality Control, the hallmark of excellence. Maintaining the highest quality standards is paramount throughout the entire aloe vera journey. Rigorous quality control measures are implemented at every stage, from the moment the leaves are harvested to the final packaging. Each step is meticulously monitored. Samples of the gel are regularly tested for purity, potency, and microbial contamination. Advanced laboratory equipment ensures that the final product meets the stringent international standards. This unwavering commitment to quality ensures that consumers receive the purest, most effective aloe vera gel possible. Section 7. Packaging and distribution. Sharing nature's bounty. The final stage of the journey involves packaging the aloe vera gel. The gel is carefully poured into sterilized containers, ranging from small tubes to large industrial drums. These containers are designed to protect the gel from light, air, and moisture, preserving its freshness and efficacy. Once packaged, the aloe vera gel is ready for distribution. From local health food stores to international markets, this versatile product reaches consumers worldwide. Sophisticated logistics networks ensure timely delivery, allowing people across the globe to enjoy the benefits of this natural wonder. Section 8. Conclusion. Aloe vera, a journey of care and innovation. The journey of aloe vera gel, from farm to factory, is a testament to the synergy between nature and human ingenuity. It begins in the vast fields where aloe vera plants are carefully cultivated, nurtured by the hands of dedicated farmers who understand the delicate balance required to grow this remarkable plant. It is a journey that involves skilled hands, advanced technology, and an unwavering commitment to quality. In the factory, advanced machinery and technology work in harmony with the expertise of skilled workers to extract and process the gel, ensuring that every bottle meets the highest standards of purity and effectiveness. The next time you reach for that bottle of aloe vera gel, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has undertaken. From the meticulous harvesting of the leaves to the precise extraction of the gel, every step is a testament to the dedication and care that goes into bringing this product to you. It is a journey that reflects the remarkable properties of this plant and the dedication of those who bring its benefits to the world. The packaging process ensures that the gel retains its natural properties, ready to provide relief and promote wellness. From soothing burns to promoting wellness, aloe vera continues to be a gift from nature, carefully nurtured and shared with the world. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a staple in households around the globe, a true testament to the power of nature and human innovation working together.